Assalamu alaikum students. This is video is on exercise 1.3 question number 6 and 7. This is the fourth video of this exercise. Question number 6. If A is equal to 1, negative 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 0, 7, minus 3, 8. Find 3A minus 2B, 2A transpose minus 3B transpose. First part we have 3A minus 2B. Putting the values we get 3. Value of A is 1, negative 2, 3, 4, negative 2 into B which is 0, 7, negative 3, 8. Now multiplying the real number we get 3 into 1, 3, 3 into 3, 9, 3 into negative 2, negative 6, 3 into 4, 12. Negative 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 3 we get negative 6, 2 into 17, 14, 2 into 18, 16. Now for subtraction we have 3 minus 0 we get 3, negative 6, negative 14 we get negative 20, 9 negative 6 equals 9 positive 6 which is 15, 12 negative 16 we get negative 4 which is equal to 3A negative 2B. Moving on to part number 2 which is 2A transpose negative 3B transpose. Putting the values we get 2 into A value of A, writing this T for transpose, negative 3 into value of B which is 0, 7, negative 3, 8. Now taking the transpose first we get converting this column into row 1, 3 and this column into second row negative 2, 4, negative 3, taking the transpose converting this column into row 0, negative 3, same for this we get 7, 8. Now multiplying the real numbers we get 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 2, negative 2, negative 4, 2, 4, 8. Negative 3 into 0, 0, 3 into 7, 21, 3 into negative 3, negative 9, 3 into 8, 24. Now doing the operation of subtraction we have 2 negative 0, 2, 6 negative 9 which is equal to 6 positive 9 equals 15, negative 4 negative 21 we get negative 25, 8 negative 24 we get negative 16 which is equal to 2A transpose negative 3B transpose.